Roasted curry cauliflower is loaded with flavor and super easy to make. The turmeric and other spices in the curry give a beautiful color. Make this on a weeknight and roast it while dinner is cooking for a gorgeous side that looks way harder than it is. So grab a cup of hot cocoa. It's time to make some magic in Mrs. Kringle's kitchen. Hit the red subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when new videos go live. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Take 1 head of cauliflower and peel back the leaves and break it into smallish size florets. For the larger pieces, just cut them in half so that they're all similar sizes. In a large bowl, add 2 tablespoons of canola or your preferred oil, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, 1½ teaspoons of curry powder, some salt, I used smoked, some fresh black pepper, and some red pepper flakes. Give it all a stir until combined. Reserve about half of the oil mixture back and then add your cauliflower into the bowl. Add the other half of the oil on top and stir to coat evenly. Add it to a sheet pan and spread them out so that they aren't touching. Roast for 10 minutes. Then remove from the oven and flip them over to roast for 10 more minutes. Roasted deliciousness. Roasted curry cauliflower is a quick, flavorful side dish that is not only delicious but healthy. It's a great side to get you out of a food rut, and it's just as pretty to look at as it is to eat. It's perfect for any time of year, whether roasted in the oven or on the grill in the summertime. For the full printable recipe, head over to mrskringleskitchen.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the love with your family and friends.